Johnny?
Yep.
Nora's live, we're live. We're back in regular session. And I will announce the action taken from executive before we move on. Under item A, 4A, there was no action taken, it was an update. Under 4B, there was no action taken, it was an update. Under 4C, the council approved the cash flow budget request for February 2024 in the amount of $578,500. Under 4D, the council took action to approve with formatting changes the 3 standard operating procedures presented. Under item 4E, the council took action to accept and file the gaming commission compliance reports. Under item 4F, the council took action to approve the judicial services agreement. And then we had an agenda amendment at the beginning, and we took action on the membership committee application, business board corporation, business development corporation board application, and gaming commission applications. Before we move on, we'll just welcome our junior tribal council members that are here. You'll see us, we're all looking at our computers, but this is where we have all of our documents. So we engage with each other, and when we talk, we turn on our microphones. They have one between the 3 of them. Welcome, Elliot, Helma, Nicholas. You guys want to say your names in the microphone so the people at home can see you because they're watching?
And if you have a position on the junior tribal council, like vice chair, treasurer, or just member.
Go ahead, Nicholas.
My name is Nicholas Perry.
Okay, no,
My name is Omar.
You guys can talk over that.
Hi, my name is El Nawago, and I'm the Junior Tribal Council Vice Chair.
thank you guys for being here. We're going to move down our agenda. We'll start with if there are any community comments and concerns, please come to the table and we will acknowledge. I see only staffers in the front.
So I'm not gonna come to the table, but tomorrow we're doing a food box giveaway from 10 o'clock till hopefully dawn. It's open to tribal members only, and we look forward to seeing everybody there. It's at food distribution building. You wanna come and help? Come on.
It's 10 o'clock, 10 to 4.
I don't see Dr. Beth Papp here in the room, and I think that we're under the impression, those of us chatting, that she believes she's on the first meeting of the month agenda and not this one. So we'll just either table it or move on. We'll just move past it. We'll move to the treasurer's report for.
May I make an update for the Junior Tribal Council? So, for the stuff, we would like to work with the elderly on shoveling their walkways and driveways.
Meet with Nicholas, maybe we can connect you guys with the elderly director who works directly with most of our elders.
And I have a request to clean up the parks and like remove the mortars and cops.
Any parks in particular? Or areas?
Maybe
Well, we have our chief of police here, so I'm sure they're very receptive to that wonderful idea. Do you guys know Jess? Chief Paul?
My name's Jess. Pronouns are they, them. Been chief of police for just about 2 years up here in Redcliffe. I've been a law enforcement officer for almost 7 years here in Redcliffe. I love the idea of working with kids, with you guys specifically, with the junior council, to clean up the parks and playgrounds. Absolutely, let's do it. Let's coordinate with both Chief Warden Mark Duffy and myself. And I have a program that kind of fell by the wayside for a little while called the Junior Officer Program. You guys familiar with that? No? Okay. Primarily, it's an officer or two that's assigned to spend some time at the Boys and Girls Club. And previously, that position in that program had one of the goals of keeping the Boys and Girls Club and all of the different parks and playgrounds within Redcliffe clean and helping the kids that utilize those parks and playgrounds to recognize either dangerous items or recognize when those parks needed some extra attention. So let's work together to rebuild that program. What do you say? Yeah? Great. Do it. I'll make sure, who would the primary point of contact to make sure they have my, like Scotty?
Myself and Rick.
Okay. Right. I'll make sure everyone's got my direct contact info. And Rich?
Ellie, did you have something too? Anything else from Junior Tribal Council? Did you guys have a meeting on Saturday? Last Saturday? At the hall?
Did you have a quorum? Somebody else showed up when I left? Oh, nice.
So can you, the Junior Tribal Council explain to the community what days you meet and, any information you want to give to the community?
So usually the junior council meets every third Saturday.
Community very helpful?
Oh, at the Boys and Girls Club.
We'll move on. Treasurer Gordon, you're up next.
Here I am. I just want to let the Junior Tribal Council too know that, please don't be shy. You have something to say, say it. But okay. I just want to let council know that right now, when I went through the FSR and stuff like that, it's getting better and better every time I go through it. There's still a lot of comments and stuff on it. But I know the accountants have been working really hard to get everything in place. And I know there's always, I don't remember what program it is, but there's always one program that they always have to wait for. And I always just advise Ashley, just give me what you have right now, and when they get through it, just send it to me. But I don't know if you guys went through it. I mean, do you guys have any questions? I do have a lot of the administrators here tonight.
The only request I have on this, with these computer softwares, is there a way that we can rotate these to make it landscape versus?
Yeah, there's a little button right here. So it says settings symbol and it says rotate. So yeah, you know.
Yep. Yep. there is a way to rotate it. There you go.
Oh,
I see
cool,
it
thank
all
you.
less red.
There might be questions now, guys. But like I said, you know, I'm really super happy that the accounting people were working in the right direction to get these FSR reports up accurate and numbers in place and stuff like that, dates in place, balances in place.
I just want to give Lana a shout out for really working to clean up county human services. Because if you guys notice, it's not red, purple, red, purple, red, purple,
Yes.
red, purple this month. And so she's done a lot of work to get all of that cleaned up from the finance department.
But if there's no questions, I'd be asking council for approval for the FSR report.
I make a motion.
For December.
Correct, for December.
We have a motion by David,
Second.
second by Butch. Any other discussion? All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, abstentions?
Aye.
One abstention, motion carries. You go, everyone.
Thank you, administrators. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, council.
Thank you for being here. Bye.
Alright, next on our agenda, I see Noah, we see your name, but we don't see a picture. Oh, there you are, hey. Alright, Mr.
Hi.
Silverstein. You're up.
Can y'all hear me okay?
We can.
Great. I'm seeking permission from council for Treaty Natural Resources Division to apply for EIA GLRI, Great Lakes Restoration Initiative funding for tribal capacity. This position would fund me full-time and partially fund 3 other TNR staff. That would include the fisheries biologist, our recently hired administrator, as well as a recycling technician LTD. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, I'm happy to take them. This has been recurring funding that we sought year after year for, I think, at least 8 years now, maybe a little bit longer even.
I don't see a budget, but in the future that would probably be helpful. I don't have any concerns, council, with the grant request.
Motion to approve the middle of the grant.
We have a motion by Nora and a second by Rick. Any other discussion? Anything else, Noah? Those,
Not for me. In the packet that I had submitted, there was a budget within the statement of work. If council would like, I'd be more than happy to send that to you all, just so you all have that in your records.
I see it, 3 of you.
We have it.
Got it.
We have it, Noah.
Great.
All right, all those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, abstention, motion carries. Which, Noah?
Big Witch.
That must get very tedious for the HR department to be budgeting $7,200 for one position. All right, Ameren. Wake up, Ameren.
Come on.
Could you take a look at a few items here tonight? Just one of the long-day assistance with the department from Catherine Pond and February.
So Ameren, if this is approved for that cancellation, are they responsible to clean up the site?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Any questions on that one, council?
Only make a motion to approve the voluntary cancellation residential lease for Captain Pop and Manuel. Okay,
Second.
We have a motion by Laura and a second by Scott. Any other discussion? All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, abstentions, motion carries. Resolution number
12424A as an applicant.
Yes, and next up, we have a return good from Mrs. Bridget and I want to say your name,
Michael and Susan.
and it's going to my computer, it looks like that, it's 400, we have it there.
Man, this is taking a long time and I'm going to get
Sure
you.
did. Sure
Make
did.
a motion to approve that.
We have a motion to approve the Susan and Mike Burnham lease by Nora,
Second.
second by Butch. Any other discussion? All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, abstentions, motion carries. Resolution?
12424B as in boy.
Move it, Council.
Thank you.
Next on our agenda, minutes will be at the regular meeting. The regular first meeting of the month. Does anybody have any other business? We've already covered items 13, 14, and 15. Hearing none, we'll take a motion to adjourn.
Motion to adjourn.
We have a motion by David and a second by Laura. All those in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, abstentions, the motion carries. Meeting adjourned 6:06 p.m.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Oh, forgot to talk about Miss February 20th.
Yeah, I have a conflict for February 20th meeting, the special meeting. I have a Woodsy Board of Directors in Madison on the 21st.